more aggressive. I mean, I'm sure all the parents had this conversation with their boys. I know I had that conversation with Gabe.
I had it with all.
They're playing aggressive, so let's play.
Let's play.
You know, stick up for your teammates, stick up for your goalies. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Appleton style, man. Avalanche style.
So we did lose a kid in that first game. He hurt his arm, his wrist, or something like that.
Amber, we good? All right, here we go. Puck drop.
Puck drop. Hope gets it.
The Flyers chip it up. Gain an offensive zone. Gets cut off right away by
nice move.
They bring it up the boards. Gathered by Berg.
They back out.
Right back up right away.
Gabe's gonna pressure.
Chase. Ooh, nice move by that. Whatever that person is.
Oh, he's getting the momentum.
Shot. Save.
Dylan.
Cleared the zone. Carter.
Oh, boys.
And he covers. And keep the legs fresh.
So, yeah, I think some lines got changed up here. We got,
well, I think they moved Berg into the back.
Yeah, Berg and Owen.
Owen's moving.
Two forwards are now playing D. Let's see how this goes. See what
I guess they had to kind of do a little bit of shuffle with, I don't even know who.
I don't know who got hurt. It's,
let's do the math here.
I know, right?
You can do the math. I'm not good at it.
Mavericks out there. 20. This is out there.
Oh, shot on goal. Covered.
Quick shot. Dylan covers it up right away. Let's get over here.
Nah, whoop-de-doo. Cool.
Trying to pull a...
Yeah, nice try. Shot.
Oh, look at that smokes. What a rifle. Oh.
Nice save. That's going to be icing.
Oh, and gets called for the icing right away.
That's coming back.
Just lay it off a little bit there, bud.
New legs. Oh, that looks like they're running with a short bench right now.
Yeah, well, we are down one guy, and we have odd numbers the way it is, so.
All right, we got Hayden in the middle, taking face off. Here we go. Hayden brings it up. Hayden kicks it off to Gabe. Gabe tries to stop it on the boards. Unable to, though. Nice job by Gabe. Keeps it in.
Let's go, Gabe.
There we go. Shot! Oh! Hayden with the goal, baby! Nothing, son! I told you, this is going to be a totally different game, man. Good job by the boys keeping pressure. We came to play this game, I think.
That. Just come out right away.
Flyers trying to own the dot. They don't. Gabe
puts pressure on him.
Gabe ain't.
Kid stands about 2 feet taller than him, but
yeah, one taller than him. Gabe picks it up in the neutral zone. Oh, tries to bring it forward. Nice move. Hayden. Hayden dumps it in. Looks for a line change. Gabe gives chase. Nice little move. Gets stopped. Keeps it in. Oh, squirts out in the middle. Nobody there. Nice chip out.
Cameron.
They got to reset now. That's
offside. It's by a mile.
See, that chip out meant a lot because they had to reset, and he just wanted to drive back in.
Yes.
And that wasn't going to happen. That's an offsides all day long. Not that, you know, the group that's watching, I'm not trying to take away from your hockey knowledge or anything like that.
Face-off wins by Appleton. Back over to Houghton. Right back to Owen. Passes it up.
Nice job.
Oh, pass
Marcus. Marcus has it. Marcus is bringing forward. Marcus dancing on the neutral zone line, the blue line.
Oh, back to
Owen. Kicks it
Oh,
in.
that's an off.
Offsides.
Ooh, that was a close one.
That was close.
That was a close one. That was a close one.
Our boys got some energy, man.
Yeah.
I don't know how fast it looks like on video, but I'm telling you, these guys look like lightning on ice.
They're motivated. Get their morning donuts and coffee kicked in.
The coffee. The morning coffee. Oh, Tucker couldn't handle that pass forward.
Oh,
Tried
no.
to poke check that.
Good
Nice
on.
job. Nice job protecting that.
Oh, should balance back up.
Oh,
That's all they're playing baseball with the hockey
no
puck.
kidding.
Oh, no.
Oh, nice
Ooh.
job. Shoots wide. Owen. Gets cut off by Cam. Cam brings her on the
Cam's in
net.
trouble.
Oh.
Got him out.
Owen around the boards. Gets picked up by the Flyers.
Y'all skated.
Nice job. Tucker clears the zone.
There we go.
Marcus
Line
puts it all
changes.
down.
D comes out. Forwards come out.
Maverick's giving chase. Maverick brings it on the board. Stops.
Tries to find that center
That's
pass.
Hayden right there.
Gotta help him
Hayden
out.
helps
Stay on
him
the
out.
puck. There you go.
Hayden squirts out.
Oh, whoa.
Right around the net. Right there. Maverick tries to center. Fans on it. Kicks out to D. Clapper from Berg.
They're off to the races.
Miller picks it up. Miller up the boards. Sorry, unable to. Berg tries to kick it up. Nope. Shot.
Oh,
my gosh.
What a snipe.
That was a snipe.
Kid's got some snipes.
Scores 1-1. 7:37 left in the first.
1-1. It's
No
not
other
an evenly
game so
matched
far.
though. It's both ways.
All right, face up at center. Here we go. Gabe pitches forward. Oh, Gabe takes on the
There we go. There we go.
him. Backhand. Oh, goes wide.
Goes wide. Just misses it.
Oh, tries to pitchfork that in there. Couldn't.
Good back check. Good back check.
Oh, little shoulder action
Oh
there.
no. Gotta get possession of the puck, boys.
Center attempt. Gabe's right there.
There
Marcus
you go.
picks it up. There he goes. Marcus on the right hand side. Marcus trying to bring it in. Nice stop. Look for a center. Nobody there. Oh.
It's a good shot. Good.
These boys are looking fast. Whatever. All right, face off the left-hand side of their goaltender. Got Wesley Snipes in there, Tucker, and Marcus.
Holden wins it. Gets
What?
possession.
What are you doing?
Driving.
Oh, my mom. That's what I was looking for, yeah.
Head up.
Miller. Oh, got pinched off.
Cameron's got it. Trying to look for his team here. Whoa.
Cam, fans on it.
Kinda
Cam,
lifts
fans
it.
on it again. Let's have a Cam. Tucker.
There we go.
The Flyers got it in the corner. A lot of people open. They got to bring some people higher.
We got attack. Right now we're watching. Let's go, Tucker. Oh,
There you go.
Cameron.
Nice job to clear the zone.
D-line change.
Around the net, Tucker's giving chase. Wesley Snipes is right there. Nutra's only got some speed.
Ooh, skates straight past Owen.
Back
Oh, look at this.
Oh, bad.
Oh, my gosh.
He fanned on her.
With the pass off the boards. Fine
You
game.
gotta grab the puck. You gotta grab the puck if you're going forward.
I got a little too excited there. There we go. Oh, dumps it back.
Nice little drop pass.
There's nothing there. Gabe.
Oh, Gabe was trying to anticipate that.
He's ready to cut that off. Help him
Cameron.
out. Help him out.
Oh, you got to cover him. Cover him. He's looking for that center. Good job by O. Here we go.
Cam makes a move. He's
Cam's
going.
making a move. He's
Cam wants to
driving.
go coast to coast.
He's driving.
See you inside, boys.
Here we go. Oh, boy. Center pass.
Oh, right back. Oh.
No.
Oh, that kid's got some freaking wheels.
Miller's right on him, though.
Oh, puck comes out of the... There we go, Gabe's putting the pressure on.
Cam picks it up the boards. They kick it back. Cam's right there again. Kick it back. Gabe. Oh.
Tries to make...
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
offsides. Damn.
Gabe, look at him over there. He doesn't know. He's like, was that me?
3:57 left in the first period.
Oh, man, 1-1.
I tell you, this is some fast pace.
This is,
this is a different team, Zach.
completely different
team from
completely
where we saw the first game.
This team is playing definitely better. I think a little bit of snack, coffee break, a little bit of fishing.
Well, I think they're hungry because I think they realize that they can match up to this team.
Yes.
All right, get on him. Get on him. Oh, he lost. Forgot the puck. Oof. Nice job. Nice job by Cam. Cam cut that shot off.
Up. You got Maverick right there, dude.
Maverick picks it up.
There you go. Make a move.
Oh, Maverick tried to cut inside. He got pinched off. Good job by
Maverick.
Hayden. Maverick has
You got it
right in the middle. Shot.
Oh, that glove
man,
save.
nice glove save.
Glove save. We had a guy right there, too, for the dirty puck. It was good. Great save by the goalie.
All right, we got Carter, Maverick, and Gabe up front. Then we got Cam and Owen. The big O.
Oh, quick shot. That
Gabe.
goal, didn't even see
You gotta
it.
hit the net, though, dude.
Holy smokes.
Gabe picks it up. Nice job. Nice job by
Gabe back to
Hayden.
Hayden. Hayden with the puck. Oh, takes
And
away.
it's out of zone. Cam picks it up.
Ooh, Cam makes
Nice
a move.
Yeah.
Trying to find his team. Plays it up the boards. Back over to Houghton. Oh, what a
I think it's
shot.
blocked.
Cam blocks it. Ooh, right back
Center
to the middle.
attempt
Cam's
wasn't
got
as
it.
successful. There you go.
Oh, and you got to skate that.
Nice job.
Owen steps up, blocks it.
Cam up the boards. Up the boards to Carter.
There we go. Penalty. Penalty on Houghton.
Penalty
I
on
didn't
the
get to see it. I was
Flyers.
getting yelled at by your wife over here that my big head was in the way, so I didn't get to see the penalty.
Hey, big head means big brain.
Yeah.
Or it's a lot of air in there, right?
I don't know what the rating on this is, so
Yeah,
we try to keep it clean.
Strictly explicit.
So Appleton on the power play.
This power play is brought to you by Culver's.
Oh.
Where you can get yourself a nice double butter burger and some cheese curds.
Cheese curds and butter burgers.
Hell yeah.
It's definitely not what put Wisconsin on the map with their butter burgers and cheese curds, but.
Oh, nice pass by Tuck. Tuck to Marcus. Marcus dumps it in. Tucker gives chase. Nice. See that?
You are getting to know these kids pretty good with their names and numbers here.
Miller, able to pinch it off, though.
Oh, quick pass over to the center.
Cam is on the sky.
Dumps it down.
Here comes Miller. Miller picks it up in the
We
corner.
got roughly 20 seconds left of this power play here, and we got to make a move here. Cam's got it.
Pinch up. Cam tries to move in. They were able to cut him off.
Maverick's gone through. Pushes the puck through.
Miller picks it up behind the net. Reverses. Waiting for the line change.
Two guys up.
Oh, it has a nice up here.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
You got Hayden.
Got 2-on-1.
Hayden.
That's Wesley. Wesley Snipes.
Oh, nobody there.
No one there.
Oh, nice. Nice back check there. He's still screwing around there. Nice save.
Hey, good save.
Hey. 18 seconds left in the first period. He comes up with a big save.
Big save. Huge save.
You don't want to get those late goals because that's kind of a backbreaker right there.
Right before going to the second period, too, go up another one.
Exactly.
And those kids, man, it gets in their minds.
You save that. That's those types of saves at the late in the period where it's a big save. That can actually pump up your team.
Face off one by Appleton. Gabe's got it. 15 seconds. Ooh.
He's too busy chopping onions on the ice. Forgot the puck.
Skated past the puck a little bit. Oh, plays the boards. Wraps it around. 5 seconds left. Oh, pinches them.
Nice job. Oh, yeah. We're a different team.
Completely different team.
Pause. All right, Berg, shot. Oh, save. Hey, can you make sure I'm sound good though? I know, but the sound.
Yeah, you do, Brian. You sound good.
No, you need a chat, dude.
Mic check.
Mic check. Here we go.
Oh, we got a penalty. We got it on Tucker.
Well, they did tell him to be more aggressive.
Hey,
Is that what Coach Weinbauer said?
you can't be getting penalties though when you're on your knees on the ice. So
Tucker with the big penalty.
making the score sheet one way or another.
Be listening now.
Oh,
Oh, shot.
oh, what a shot!
Hey, you know what? The thing was is that he was able to track that
Cam smokes it
shot
out.
all the whole way.
That will not be an icing. Oh man, look at this. Good pressure. Gotta
Nice
get back
coming
though.
back here. Shot. Nice pickup by Dylan.
Wait, home there. They just come out. They just know what they're doing. Just give it across the line and shoot at the goal.
Puck's on net.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this much. What was it? The great Wayne Gretzky said, "You'll miss 100% of the shots you don't take." You know,
It's very accurate.
Gabe picks it up. Tries to get out of the zone, but he couldn't. I think he was trying to rush for it. There you go. Nice
There you go.
job
It's
clearing that.
No icing, no nothing. We're going to kill this penalty here, hopefully.
16 seconds left on the penalty kill.
Oh, this kid's got some speed. He's going to make a move.
Ooh, he lifts
This
it too
is
high.
it. Way wide.
I mean, if the net were like a soccer net, he would have made that. But side of the net. Up the boards. Clapper. Oh, man! Nice job. That was pure luck.
Oh,
Thank
man,
you, post.
that's not even. That was an amazing hockey play right there by Holland. But holy smokes, comes off the post. We got away with one right there.
Nice redirection, though. Oh, they must practice that.
Well, they have nothing better to do when they live in the
If you live
northern
northern,
UP.
northern
What else is
Uper.
out there?
What's up there? Trees and snowmobiles?
Snow.
Wes. Nice job by Cam to track him. The guy's shot
Just-
wide. Shot goes
Right
behind
back
the net.
down.
Come on, boys.
Oh, gotta get possession of this. We just can't be stopped.
They got to get him out of here. They're losing that battle. Nice job by Cam to cut that off.
There we go.
There we
Take
go.
a hop.
Maverick.
Got one wide.
Maverick's got one wide. Maverick
This
to
is
Carter.
over.
Whoa! Whoa! All
Right
right.
back to the ref.
Oh,
He's right there.
Hayden almost had the rebound there.
Back to the D. Owen keeps it in.
Nice job by
Maverick.
Maverick to keep it in. Shot and goal. Oh, he didn't see that until last second.
Did not even see that thing coming.
Center attempt. Cam gets chase.
Cameron's taking it.
Cam's
He's got
gonna
wheel.
take it.
Oh, he's got it all day. He's got it all day.
Oh, man. Marcus was not
Oh,
paying
man.
attention to offsides. That happened.
Oh, that was our opportunity right
That's
there.
all right.
3-on-1.
8 minutes left in the second period. Still scored 1-1.
Oh, they almost caught him with their pants down. And
I hate that when you get caught with your pants down. Like, what excuse you
I
got?
mean,
Like, Randy, don't! You know? Here we go. Marcus coming up. Marcus Gabe.
Oh.
Gabe with his feet. Says slide on his knees for a little bit.
This kid right here. Yes.
Oh, poke crossbar. The crossbars are big. They're like 6 inches thick.
I don't know. I don't know if we paid off the crossbars today, but they are in our favor. Oh, nice pass.
Center attempt. Oh, wide. Woo! Gabe's going to pick it up. Oh, my God.
Yeah. Come on, Appleton!
Oh, right into Gabe's back of his legs. He's hurting.
Gabe felt that
He's
one.
hurting.
He needs to get off.
Well, especially when he take a shot from
wants to
Wesley
get off.
Snipes in the back. Dude.
The assassinator. There goes Tucker.
Tucker's giving chase.
Oh, man. They caught us in our line change.
Oh, good job.
Come on, Dylan.
Dylan sweeps to the side. Miller plays it to the corner. Center attempt. Oh, nice move. Gets cut off. Good job. Oh, he's got Tucker. Hit Tucker. Go get it, Tucker. Tucker center pass. Oh. Nice job by Miller. Good job by Berg to cut that off.
Nice job by Berg.
Nice blue line stance.
Gotta get back.
Gabe
comes flying in. He's not even hurt. He comes diving on in. Off the boards. We're up to Gabe. Maverick's there.
Gabe picks
Chip
it
it
up. Offsides.
Kid coming on the bench. Get her
1-1, 5:53 left in the second period. Hard-fought battle. This is the battle for the ages.
Oh, this is a good game.
Like World War III, son.
This is the battle of a
And this
border.
is only the second game of the season.
Set high standards here.
These boys want a battle.
Cam brings
it up. Heck yeah. Cam battle on the boards. Has some help. Cam scoops it out.
Let's go wide.
Oh, got cut off.
Gabe. Gabe.
Oh. There, attempt. Nobody there. Shot. Wide.
Wide or
high.
Oh, great
you can't tee off, man. Let's get on this puck, guys.
Oh, man, wide open net. Oh, Cam with the save.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh, man, that was a wide open net right there. Cam with a great save.
Here we go.
There we go. Make a move, boys.
Marcus, bring it up. Marcus going wide.
Marcus is bringing it up.
Go get a game. There you go. Oh. Oh, hey,
shot on goal. Oh! Great shot on goal right there. Really made a great second save there.
Hayden puts it in the door. Hayden puts it on the boards. Wesley gives chase.
Back up to Wesley.
Whoa.
Tucker,
nice job.
With the save.
Tucker, nice job keeping it in.
Oh.
West right there in the middle of it.
Great passing.
Oh, nice passing. Got to keep the sticks on ice. West tries to cut that off. Nice job.
3 minutes left of the
That's
second
Miller.
period.
Miller Tucker unable to grab that.
There you go. Early stick in.
There you go, Hayden.
There we go.
Hayden
Good
kicked it
job.
out. Good job. 2:54 left in the second period.
These boys are little
Extended play period. They're dumping in.
Dump it
Looks
in,
like they're
do
going
a
to
line
get chase
change.
and change the line. Miller grabs it behind the net. He's getting harassed right now. Tries to bump it up to Kashuta.
Oh, they keep it in.
Kashuta, nice job keeping it in. Oh, got it. Nice there.
There we go.
Here we go.
There we go.
Here we go. Marcus shot.
Oh!
Berg, nice job kicking it out.
Berg.
Maverick, nice up there. Here goes Marcus. He's giving chase.
Ooh. Big cross center, nice pass. Beats the D. Oh, that's not
No,
called
not
off.
offsides.
Owen is
Good job
harassing.
by Owen.
He's
Owen's like a
harassing. He's not letting
freaking
them in. He is not letting them in. Oh.
That was a beautiful Dylan with the big save. 1:42 left in the second period. Still a score tied at 1-1.
Yeah, what a period.
Totally different game. Flyers win the faceoff.
Oh, dude,
There we go. Nope, that's not it. Oh, Hayden just lost control. Good job by Hayden keeping that tied up there. Good defense. Good defense.
There you go. Good harassment.
Hayden.
Good job. Throwing the puck.
Carter's all over him too.
There you go, Maverick.
Maverick.
Hey, there it is. There it is.
There we go.
Oh,
The
game.
PP.
I like it.
This power play is brought to you by Ace Hardware, where you can get any kind of screwdriver, any kind of bolt you want.
Any kind of nuts
If
or
you
bolts you want.
If you are doing home improvement and you break a screw, you can replace it. Just head your way to Ace Hardware.
Just head to your local Ace. They got everything. And they got
Great,
very
helpful
knowledgeable
staff.
people
Helpful staff.
there that help you.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Hold on.
Face off the right-hand side of the goaltender.
Whoa, heads up.
Whoa.
Oh, that
Delay a
Coach
game.
Weinbauer over there catching a puck.
Delay a game. But they don't have that.
Yeah, I was going to say, like, we adapt those rules here because
50 seconds
Owen
left
loves
in the
throwing it out of the
second
puck
period.
in there.
Face off again on the right-hand side of the goaltender.
It's Appleton. Gabe, Tucker out there.
Cam unable to keep it in. Cam kicks it over to Marcus.
This kid on oh, I don't know. Those are the girls right there. You go harass our goalie. Those girls will step right on up and let him right out. Our boys need to.
He freezes the puck, and the face-off's going to be taken the left-hand side of Dylan there. All right, Tucker. Oh, unable to handle it. Oh. 22 seconds left. Reverse. Up the boards for Gabe. Gabe picks it up.
He's can't get possession. There he is.
Gabe
Tries to center pass it.
centers it to nobody.
Oh,
Nice save. Get it out. There we go.
man, what a period! What a period!
The second period, a lot of hard fought. No, a lot of. Just go ahead. All right, second period. Here we go. Third period, score tied 1-1. This is the period of the ages here. The battle.
These boys are eager to get that W underneath their belt right away.
Oh, tries to shoot from his knees. Here we go. He has Hayden. Hayden's bringing up on the right-hand side. Has Gabe in the middle.
Oh, what a move.
Nice job. Cam, up the side.
There we go.
Gabe, just not there. Stay up there, Gabe.
And dumps it back down. No one there. Cam gets
Cam
possession.
picks it up.
Looking for the pass up the boards.
Hayden on the boards. They were able to pinch it off.
Oh,
uh-oh. He's got speed.
Oh, man, what's going on here?
Oh, my gosh, dude.
What a great backhand.
What a defensive breakdown.
Oh, man. What just happened, boys?
You left your goalie out to dry. You didn't step up into
You
there.
just watched.
Score 2-1, 11:03 left in the third. Looks like you have Marcus in the middle, Tucker on the left. Wes on the right. There you go, Cameron. Nice job by Cam. Cam's bringing it up. Cam sticking it through. Oh. Gets pinched off by a couple of home guys. Nice job by Tucker to cut that off. There we go. Marcus. Marcus brings it up. Tries to clear his zone.
Hit the legs of a Holton player.
Flyers pick it up on the right.
Oh. You let it all rip there.
Tucker gets
goes
it up.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, Hayden. Hayden's free.
Let's go, Hayden. Oh, yeah, shoot.
Hayden, shot. Just like that, it's a tie score. Yes! 10 minutes left in the game and third period. We are 2 boys. These boys are ready to battle. It's like they're going in like D-Day, you know what I mean? Certain death is pretty much there, but they're going in anyway. Give it up, Hamilton! Let's go, Aves! Cam. Oh, that's a hook. That's whatever.
Owen.
There you go. Get it out.
Nice
Good
job by Owen. Hitting it on out. Oh, that might be an icing, though.
That's icing. No,
Oh,
no
he calls
icing.
it off.
Calls it off.
Interesting. Are these different refs from that first game?
I think these refs just want to go home. Hosel just holding the blue line.
Staying it up. Keep
Look
it
at
in.
him. Carter giving chase behind the net. Hayden right there. Hosel cuts him off again, dude. What a blue liner.
Help Cam out. Someone's got to help Cam. Oh, what a save. He got it! Oh, my God!
Did he not save that?
No, he caught it, it dropped, and he never fell on it.
All right, 3-2.
Let it go. Why did he let it go?
He caught it, never fell. Caught it, dropped, and he just didn't know where it fell in between his legs.
It's unfortunate.
Unfortunate goal.
8:56 left in the third. Score down 3-2. It's all right. We got plenty of time to get this back.
Cam wanted that quick pass right up to his wing, right up to Wesley.
Cam kicks it up. Oh, shooter gets taken out. Oh, nice move there.
Good job by Maverick there.
Cam kicks it the other way. Don't let him get in there.
Oh, come on, guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that went high. All right, clear it, dude. Clear it. Oh!
Whoa, we need a line change here.
Yeah, they're getting tired. Cam, clear it.
There you go, Cam.
Oh, they're able to keep it in. Nice job by Maverick. Oh, they're all over us like flies on shit right now.
They are. I don't know what they're playing right now. They are playing old school.
Good puck movement by them. We need to get this puck out.
Oh,
Cover it.
soft.
Cover it.
There you go.
Clear that crease. There you go. Good job by Cam to freaking show him this is
bird.
what's up.
Show what's up.
Get out of the crease, dude. Don't harass my freaking goalie. That's what you need. All right, face off to the left-hand side of Dylan.
Oh, D-to-D. Holding second possession. What a shot.
Gabe picks it up behind the net.
Gabe's got the wheels.
Gabe's got the wheels.
Gabe's got the
He's got
wheels.
Hayden in the middle.
Oh, 3-on-2. Oh, he tried. Tried to pass. Step up, Owen.
Gabe pinching him off. Nice job, bud. There we go.
Cam's got buck. Looking for the pass. Up the boards.
Owen
Tries to chip it.
trying to give
Falls.
it a boost.
This is it.
Shot. Oh, over the net.
Yeah, and if these
Everybody, rush! Wheel! Turn pass. Backhand, nothing. Cam picks it up, goes behind the net. That's Gabe. Cam's going to bring it up.
Cam's going to bring it up.
Cam's going to bring it up.
Cam's
He's
just
going to
going to
bring it up all the
by
way.
himself.
There he goes.
He's done. He's going. Look at him making a move.
Shot. Oh,
this
Cam right there. Right in the middle. Oh, rebound. Oh.
Got a bouncing puck down by the net. There you go. Owen keeps it in. Cam's going out. Cam's doing it.
Cam brings it up again. The left hand side.
He needs some help. He needs support by his wings.
Shoot it.
Nice screen.
Oh, great save. Glove save. 5:21 left in the third. Score 3-2. Face off won by the Flyers. Flyers rushing for a little chip forward. Miller's right there to pick it up. Berger's right there.
Maverick, stop.
Tucker chips it forward. Unable to get it out. There we go, right there. Marcus has the puck. Has Tucker on his left-hand side. Tucker. They wrap it around the boards. Brings up the neutral. They got a lot of speed. Oh, boy. Oh, nice save! Nice save, Dylan. 4:35 left, third period. Score 3-2. Ah! Let's go, Aves! There we go, face off.
Face off one. Appleton. Little battle.
Out.
There we go.
Maverick. Here we go.
Oh, man. I got the Freeze girls in the background screaming our ears off.
Hayden
Oh,
pitches
no,
off.
sir.
Center's nobody there. Oh, Gabe's tripping. Oh, yeah. Gabe's in the penalty box.
Oh, that's a way to get on the score sheets.
All right, time for the PK. 4 minutes left of the game. Thanks a lot, Gabe.
Yeah. You too, Gabe. Come on, dude. So we got Owen and Cam out there with here. With Carter and
There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hayden has a breakaway. He's going. Shot. Oh! Why are you giving up? Cam kicks it forward. Cam again. Gotta go wide, Cam. No, 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 no. Oh, there we go. There you go, Hayden. Hayden comes up. Oh. Oh. Offside.
I'll take it. Thank you, Mr. Houghton.
Woo! 24 seconds left in the PK. Almost had a shorty
Oh,
there.
yeah, that would have been awesome.
Cam, nice job. Cam playing defense. They set up there. Ooh, trying to do the 360 shot, but he couldn't get it off. Nothing but air.
Step up.
Clapper. Ooh, wide. West clears his own. Nice job.
There it is.
Oh! 5 seconds left in the PK. Let's go, boys! Face-off win. Oh. Oh my gosh, nice job. Whew, nice job by Cam to cut that pass off.
Gabe comes shooting out of the penalty box, just right back into it.
There you go.
We got ourselves 2-on-1.
Marcus.
Oh,
Marcus coming in. Marcus is the back. Shot.
so
Oh,
loose.
he's keeping it playing. He's keeping it playing. Oh, couldn't keep it in.
Nice. Oh, calls it off.
Oh,
high stick.
offsides.
Calling
Tucker
high
trying to
stick.
get that in there.
Calling
Tried
high
to keep it in. Good valiant effort. Here's the thing, Zach. We may lose this game, but the potential this team shows,
Oh my gosh.
like this team is going to be good.
Yes.
Like
They
they
are-
haven't even found each other yet,
No.
and they're playing this well. I think we're going to be okay with this group. Center attempt, nobody there. Tucker gives chase. Dumps it to the next corner, nobody's there. They try to throw it up the boards.
Oh, Owen misses
Owen
it.
unable to hold it in.
Oh no.
Oh! That ain't Owen's fault. It's all right. All right, new set of players. Down 4-2, 1:49 left in the. Just to see when we're gonna. Nice job by Tucker.
We gotta start finding the open spots, so we just keep on throwing it right back to him. What are we doing?
There we go. Brothers bringing it up. Oh, here we go. Oh, what a great pass. Oh, what a good play.
That was a great hockey play right there.
Nice job.
Oh, you're gonna go back to your D. Make sure your D's there. Woo! Empty netter. Dylan's out. What are we doing?
Oh, nice stop by Owen.
Oh,
Nice stop again by. That's what I'm talking about. You sacrifice your body. Good job, Owen. There we go. Keep going through. And 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, the old guy just blocked his own shot with his head. He didn't want him to get an empty netter. Screw that. I'm going to get a
4-2 this game.
Hey,
This is a much better game.
that was a great game. We lost again, but you know what? These boys showed resilience.
Yes.
And we'll keep you updated on the Facebook post. Like I said earlier, that we're going to be changing. This is no longer the Freeze. This is just going to be strictly the Avalanche. We're going to create another group page. So you'll see that notification out there. Great game. Have a great Sunday.